Today we will learn about joins in MySQL. By the name it is clear, join means writing or generating query using two or more tables. At least two tables are compulsory for writing joins. Now moving towards how to write joins or syntax of writing joins in MySQL. So this is the syntax of writing joins in MySQL. Select column name from table 1 alias name, comma, table 2 alias name, where join condition and other conditions, then group by, having, order by. Now, what are the important points while writing join? The first important point, the query should have at least two tables. After from table 1, comma, table 2. Like this, you can write n number of tables using comma operator. First compulsory part. Second compulsory part, the tables we are joining should have at least one common field. For example, this is the book table. Book code, book name, quantity, price. And this is the customer table. Customer code, customer name, purchase date, book code. Now here, in these two tables, the common field is book code. That means now we can write query combining these two tables, book and customer, because they are having a common field, book code. And the query is called as join. Now, first important point, at least two tables. Second important point, common field in both the tables. Third important point is join condition. Now here, join condition is compulsory to be written. If you skip this part, the query will result to Cartesian product. This join condition is compulsory while writing joins. Now, how to write join condition? After where? It is always written after where. And how to write this join condition? I will display it here. Writing join condition. So this is the syntax of writing join condition. What is the syntax of writing join condition? First, after where? It is always written after where. Then, table 1 dot common field equal to table 2 dot common field. So this is the syntax of writing join condition. Most important part now, whatever written in the syntax, this is the syntax, whatever written in square brackets is optional part. That means we can skip while writing join condition or join select command. Alias names, other conditions, group by, having, order by, these are the optional parts. We can write select command without these also. It will be also called as join command. Moving to the example. Now for example, the question given to you is display book name, customer name, price and purchase date. Read the question again. Display means which command? Select command. What all we need to display? Book name, customer name, price and purchase date. So first, before solving, just go through all the column given. What are the columns given? Book name, customer name, price and purchase date. First check, are these columns present in only single table? Or do we have to combine the tables to generate the query? Of course, yes, because book name and price are present in which table? Book table. Then customer name and purchase date are present in which table? Customer table. So we need to combine these two tables to write join. So what will be the answer? Display means select. So we will be starting the command with select, and after that we will be writing all the columns. Book name, customer name, price, purchase date. Now, as we picked these columns from two different tables, we have to specify these two tables after from. What are the table names? From, book, comma, customer. Clear? If I put a semicolon after it, will it generate join? No, it will generate a Cartesian product. For writing join, what is important? Common field? Of course, these two tables have the common field book code. Second, writing join condition. So, we are writing join condition now where book dot code is equal to customer dot book code. So this is the complete answer of the question given to you. What was the question? Display book name, customer name, price and purchase date. First check, are these columns present in single table? If yes, that means it is not join, it is a simple query. If these columns are present in more than one tables, that means it is join. And how to write join? The answer is given below. Clear?